One of the things, if you're using this type of pail, what I like to do if you're emptying the buckets alone is I push my chest against the bucket a little bit and pin it to the tree so it's kind of stable. You don't really want to have all this weight pulling on the spile because you may pop it out. We've got this bucket just about filled up. This is 5 gallons, our first 5 gallons of the 2023 season. Talking about right there. We're gonna need a bigger bucket. Our first haul, we've got about close to 20 gallons of sap that we're gonna be putting into our barrels. I bought these on Facebook Marketplace. These used to carry or hold pepperoncini, pickles, that kind of thing. Just have to give them a good scrubbing, and they work great for storing our sap. A little tip for you guys. So here's a great way of cleaning up your sap when you're putting it into your barrels. These are paint strainers. They go on paint buckets. They fit nicely on the 5-gallon buckets. They also fit beautifully on the barrel itself. So I don't bother straining the sap when I'm out in the field. One more thing you don't really want to do, but when I come in here, I'll strain everything into this barrel and it'll be nice and clean so we go into the boil with pure sap. That was just from the top portion. We still have a bunch of buckets, probably 27 or 26 or so to go. Almost done with this part of the sugar bush. A couple more pails up top and one bucket right there that I haven't emptied yet. That's just about full. That's a 5-gallon bucket. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, close to 30 gallons in the back of the chocolate chip. I figure when we're gonna have probably close to 40 gallons. Plus, we've got another 30 up top, and we're gonna be boiling soon. She's full, 65 gallons. Whew. A couple more buckets to go.